Stop paying thousands for software. Right now, we're diving deep into the world of free AI tools that are so powerful, they can replace expensive software, saving you a fortune. We are going beyond the basics to show you a comprehensive suite of tools that will revolutionize your workflow, whether you're a creator, a marketer, a student, or a business owner. For visual creation, all you creators and designers, meet Leonardo AI. Instead of expensive stock photos or hiring a designer, you can generate stunning, realistic images and even animated videos just by typing what you need. Imagine creating custom visuals for your social media, projects, or even game assets in minutes. It's a game changer for bringing your ideas to life visually. But what if you need to edit photos with the same level of control as professional software? Meet Photopea. It's a free, browser-based editor that mirrors the functionality of Adobe Photoshop. From advanced layer editing and masks to filters and vector graphics, Photopea provides a robust set of tools for any graphic design task, completely free. Next, let's tackle productivity and meetings. Say goodbye to tedious note-taking with TL. DV. This AI assistant joins your Zoom or Google Meet calls, transcribes everything in real time, and creates smart summaries. You can even search for keywords within the meeting transcript and jump directly to that point in the video. It's like having a personal assistant for every meeting. And when it's time for brainstorming or long-form writing, turn to Claude AI. It excels at processing large amounts of text, making it perfect for summarizing articles, drafting reports, or even helping you write code. Its conversational interface and ability to handle complex instructions make it an indispensable tool for students, researchers, and professionals. Now, for content and marketing. You already know Grammarly's AI-powered writing assistant, which helps you craft clear, effective, and mistake-free content. It goes beyond basic spell checking to improve your style, tone, and clarity. But what about managing your social media presence? That's where FeedHive comes in. This AI-powered platform helps you generate viral post ideas, schedule content across multiple platforms, and analyze your performance. It takes the guesswork out of social media marketing, helping you grow your audience with less effort. Struggling with presentations? Gamma is the tool for you. This AI-powered tool creates beautiful, engaging presentations, documents, or web pages from just your notes. It handles the design and formatting so you can focus on your content. It's the perfect replacement for expensive presentation software, allowing you to create professional-looking materials in a fraction of the time. Finally, let's talk about video and audio production. For podcasters and video creators who demand high-quality recordings, Riverside FM is a must-have. It records audio and video locally on each participant's computer, ensuring crystal clear quality regardless of internet connection. The free plan offers generous recording hours, making professional-grade remote recording accessible to everyone. And when it comes to editing your content, look no further than CapCut. This powerful video editor, available on both desktop and mobile, is packed with AI features. You can automatically generate captions, remove backgrounds, enhance audio, and apply stunning effects with just a few clicks. It's a complete video creation suite that rivals expensive, complex editing software. These tools are just the tip of the iceberg. The world of free AI is exploding, making powerful technology accessible to everyone. Why pay more when you can achieve professional results for free? Start exploring these tools today and revolutionize your workflow. We've already shown you a host of incredible free AI tools, but the revolution doesn't stop there. Next, we are adding more game-changing AI platforms to your arsenal that can replace expensive software and supercharge your productivity. First, let's enhance your organizational skills with Notion AI. Integrated directly into the popular workspace, Notion AI acts as your creative partner. It can summarize long documents, brainstorm ideas, draft emails, translate text, and so much more. It's the ultimate tool for organizing your thoughts and automating your writing process, making it a must-have for students and professionals alike. Next, for anyone working with multiple languages, DeepL is a game changer, while many are familiar with standard translation tools. DeepL's advanced neural networks provide far more accurate and nuanced translations. It understands context and idiomatic expressions, delivering natural-sounding text that expensive translation services would charge a premium for. Ever needed a high-quality voiceover for your project? Meet 11 Labs. This powerful text-to-speech tool generates incredibly realistic and emotive voices in a wide range of languages and accents. You can clone your own voice or choose from a vast library of options, giving your content a professional polish that was once only possible with expensive studio time. And voice actors. Tired of traditional search engines? YouCom offers a new way to find information. It combines a search engine with a conversational AI, allowing you to ask questions, get summarized answers, and chat about topics in a more intuitive way. It can write code, generate text, and search specific apps, making it a versatile research assistant. For students and researchers, Consensus is an indispensable AI search engine focused on scientific literature. It uses AI to extract and summarize findings from peer-reviewed studies, helping you quickly find evidence-based answers to your questions. It's like having a research assistant who can read and distill thousands of papers in an instant. While we've discussed presentation tools before, Pitch is specifically designed for startups and businesses. Its AI features help you create stunning, professional-looking proposals and pitch decks with ease, with collaborative features and beautiful templates. It helps your team tell a compelling story without needing a professional designer. The world of AI image generation is vast, and Playground AI is another fantastic free option. It offers a user-friendly interface with powerful controls, allowing you to create and edit stunning art and photorealistic images with a generous free tier. It's an excellent platform for artists and creators to experiment with AI-generated visuals. For secure and private online meetings, Jitsi Meet is a standout free and open-source alternative to paid video conferencing services. It offers unlimited meeting times, high-quality video, and end-to-end encryption without requiring any account creation. It's the perfect tool for teams and individuals who value privacy and flexibility. Finally, for all the Twitter users, Typefully is your new best friend. This AI-powered tool is designed to help you write and schedule better tweets and threads. It offers a distraction-free editor, AI-powered suggestions to improve your writing, and robust scheduling features to grow your audience. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, offering more powerful and accessible tools every day. By leveraging these free platforms, you can save money, boost your productivity, and unlock new creative possibilities.